Welcome to the Income Generator Calculator. This is a powerful little tool that will help you understand the earning potential of your business. Now, whether you're a maths whiz kid or someone who's a little bit fearful of numbers, I'll just walk you through it gradually so you can understand it and you'll see the real power of it. So let's scroll down and have a look at the calculator. As you'll see, there are some cells that are grey. These are the ones that you'll be entering your numbers into, and then there are some cells that are orange, and these are the cells that are self-calculating. So let's start entering some numbers. How many days a week do you want to work? So let's say we've got 5 days a week. How many billable hours per day? Now these are the hours that you can charge a client. These are not the hours that you spend doing marketing, admin, sales, anything else that is non-billable. So let's say you have 4 billable hours per day, and now you've got total billable hours of 20 hours a week, and let's give you an hourly rate of $100. I don't know what yours is, but you can put your own number in there. And then we've got your total income per week is $2,000. Your total income per month is $8,000. Now, I'm going to be generous to you here. I really want you to have holidays. So I've given you 4 weeks holiday. So all of my calculations are based on 48 weeks per year. Let's scroll down. Cost of sales is your percentage of revenue. Now, sometimes it will cost you money to earn money. So what I mean by that is if you had to pay license fees, franchise fees, if you could only earn money by going to a client or having, a particular thing that you need to pay for and you can't make the sale unless you've got that, then that has to be included in your cost of sales. If your bookkeeping is set up correctly, then you will have cost of sales listed in your profit and loss statement. So let's assume that the cost of sales for this business is 25%, so we write it as 0.25, and you'll see that it's calculated for you. Cost of sales in dollars is $2,000, and your gross profit monthly is $6,000. Scrolling down, you need to enter your fixed expenses. Now, fixed expenses are the things that appear on your profit and loss statement that are the fixed expenses in your business. Just whether you have the doors open or not, you still have to pay these things. So rent, insurance, admin things, marketing, office stationery, phone, anything like that would be included in your fixed expenses. So let's say your fixed expenses are $1,000 monthly, and now your net profit monthly is $5,000. Your net profit weekly is $1,250. So now your annual turnover, $96,000. Your annual gross profit is $72,000. And your annual net profit is $60,000. That's not bad, but you are working 5 days a week. Let's see if we can do better for you. So let's assume that you're still going to work the 5 days a week. How many billable hours per day? Let's say you got more efficient or you got some help and you could actually increase those billable hours to 5 hours. Let's have a look and see what that does to your numbers. So now you've got 25 billable hours per week. And let's have a look at your hourly rate. Now I think that there's always a bit of wiggle room. So let's make your hourly rate $120 an hour. So now you've got a total income of $3,000 a week. Your total income for the month is $12,000. It's starting to look a bit more interesting now. Cost of sales will stay the same because it's still percentage of your actual turnover, so that can stay the same at 25%. Cost of sales in dollars is now $3,000. Gross profit monthly is $9,000. And your fixed expenses, now let's say you did get some help. So let's say you paid for some admin help or something like that. So let's turn this into $2,000. Now, that would be just your normal fixed expenses, but you're actually employing somebody else. So, and we average that over 12 months. So now our net profit monthly goes up to $7,000. Net profit weekly is $1,750. Remember that net profit is yours. That's what you're retaining. That's your money. But remember that some of that has to go to the tax man as well. So now your annual turnover is $144,000. Your annual gross profit is $108,000 and your annual net profit is $84,000. That's your money. That's looking more exciting, isn't it? So the things that I help with are these things. How many days a week do you want to work? And I don't believe that you should kill yourself just because you've got a business, that you've got try to overwork and get overwhelmed. So we look at those things and maybe see if we can make it much more effective and efficient. Then the billable hours per day, we look at that and have a look at how do we get you working more effectively, efficiently, and what kind of help do you need to be able to do that. And then looking at your dollars per hour, if you're in a commodity market where people just see you as a commodity that they can buy and they'll be price focused, then you're going to struggle with the dollars per hour. So we can fix that. Then we can also look at what are your cost of sales as a percentage of your revenue. So we're looking at what does it cost you to earn your income, and we'll look deeply into that. The fixed expenses, we're going to look at how do we make that more efficient as well. There's certain things that you can do, and maybe there's certain areas of your business that are not working to their true potential. So if you've already got some admin assistant, maybe we need to make that more effective as well. But all of those things will affect your income. So have a play with the calculator, enjoy it, and if you would like to have a chat with me, then please click the link above here. So you'll find here, contact me, and we can have a chat about this because I can certainly help you make a difference in your business.